What is it now?
Wow. What is it? You don't want to sit there? I should carry you. You want me to carry you? I should carry you. Okay. Now listen. You know that if I bring you out here, it's not good. Sure you know. I'm trying to tell Zara why she has to sit on her chair. These children, I don't know why they don't like this their car seat.
Don't like.
Eh? Why is it that they don't like this their car seat? Hey guys, welcome to the Zara family. How are you guys doing? Okay, so Toby needs to drop me here. Toby, I need to drop here. So yeah, it's another beautiful vlog, and I'm here to get something, so you guys should come along with me, okay? Welcome to the family. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, okay? Alright, sorry my love. Sorry, yeah? Zara and her mommy are going to beat them from school, okay? So yeah. Let's go. Should I go down? Or I should wait? Okay, okay. This one that it rained there, everywhere is going to be pota. Everywhere is messed up. Need no down. 3,500 no buy. 4,000 buy. How else are there? Can you lazy? Okay. No, 4,000.
5,000, put that for the emergency.
I don't get customer, no get. 1,000. Meet them.
I'm not saying that I'm going to follow the talk like this. I'm not saying that I'm going to 4,000.
No, I don't get 500. I don't get customer. You know, the country don't have.
You got for you.
I'm already seeing your face now. She's always running away from my camera. I caught her today, unaware. She did not know. Don't mind her. Now she had to buy plantain for. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Fine girl. You don't have to run away from camera. You're a fine girl.
Okay, ma.
So yeah, I'm in the market.
Okay, wait till I come by. You want to buy me?
From your brother. Don't buy me from your brother. Everywhere is messed up. Huh? I should put money for me. Hey, put money for me. I make I put 15 naira. Hey, so I'm buying this one 1,250. No, it's okay. Don't be playing the place, so. You play down there.
Oh, your bag.
Okay, so I hardly get more in this market, so I'm so happy that I'm able to at least see one. I wanted to make a goosey soup. I wanted to make oha, but oha is very expensive. So let me go for onubu soup.
Before gringo now, na ife aba. What's the rainy season? Network.
I bet that was 600. Cross travel, I know that. The yellow one. Tomatoes now how much?
This one are one, this one 5. Tomato, this one are 2.5.
Give me a phone now. I'm not this one. Okay, I'm going to one. I'm going to use people. Let me check. I'm going to I am the small one. My money comes. Give me the small one. Thank you. Let's see.
These are some of us why you have a role to play in your life. You have a role.
Huh? You don't finish.
But I don't even try. You don't even praise me.
Customer. Give me 200, oh no. This is not very romantic at all.
Who say if they come out?
The way you were shouting me. But I will not get paid the English one. Now why they buy for my baby? No come they get them again. No change, oh.
Finish one line. Don't come up for. Not there up again.
Thank you.
Not there up again.
No, not if you give me 200.
Make a share. This one good. It's a sweet one. I confirm with that.
I'll give it to you more than follow this year the day for home. Don't know whether this year no day off again. Some people sabi some people sabi advertise this day. They receive person say no day off again. I don't know say no day off.
Where'd she go? She seriously? Huh? Fantabulous. This material, Mama.
This material is fine. It's unique.
It's very fine.
Yeah.
And they buy. Fufu Bogini. Fufu Bogini. You are doing your business. I know what I do my own. You better say, what carry this your goods come up for this place?
Okay, the lecture buy my bed sheet. Even my duvet. And I do the
So my former neighbors, they sell beautiful materials, and they find the one where I go feed buy. They sell best friend too.
Let me tell you this.
She don't go to sleep. I'm not going to say.
I can't buy that. Yeah, advertise on my video.
Think I call one. You pay now.
You're running away from the video. Yeah, for 9 people. I supply in this supermarket. Okay.
This is a plantain. Okay, you guys already know what this thing is. And I don't know if you watched my previous video where I told you that Mommy Zara's plantain is doing very well. Just look at it. See the plantain. See, See there. This is nice. Like very, very nice. Very soon, we'll start eating plantain here. Oh. Look at it. This place is full of plantain. So, like play, we are actually having food, plenty food from this farm, okay? And yes, someone suggested that instead of the water leaf to be wasting, why can't we just get market people to come and take it, and then maybe we sell it to them, okay? Yeah, it's a good business. It's a good business, but this is something that all of us are using here. But we'll still think about it, we'll still talk about it, we'll still deliberate over it, and then we'll know the next thing to do. Okay, so it's a very good suggestion. Instead of, see this one, let me show you guys this one. Let me show you. Just like this one now. You see? This one is now yellow. And that's because we have not been, taking from it. And one thing with water leaf, if you don't cut it, they will just be yellow. Okay, so yeah, she now suggested that we should get market people to sell the water leaf to them, and then we get money. It's a very good suggestion, so we'll still deliberate over it, and then we'll know the next step to take. Woo! We don't harvest this corn. Oh. Mommy, Kosi. This one still remain. This one still remain. It still remain. Oh, this ugu is doing very well. Watermelon is still growing. Look at this one, it's getting big. Oh. See the other one over there, and there are some under that place. I cannot go inside there. See this one here. See, I'm here. This one, there are some of the vegetables that we don't joke with, and ugu is one of them. Mommy, go see. There is this one that I planted the other side. I need to make this bed though, because that one is already growing as well. See, very fresh. Ononogo, when they say a woman is like ononogo, this is what they mean. See, fresh. Doggo, how are you, baby? How are you? Fine, girl. Better pikin. Hi, girl. Better pikin. Okay. How are you, Mama? Yeah. How are you? Hey, baby. Yeah. No, she's a big girl. Big girl done for. We are now working very, very well. Hey, Mama. Where are you going to? Chidiogo will look for Chama and the nurse will be like, Chama! 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 Diogo! Chama! Chidiogo, go and call Chama for me. You will follow. This girl, do you even know that you are just 10 months? Okay. Rapia, Chama, rapia. Rapia, come for your name. See Chidiogo. See Chidiogo. See the Chama. Make a good show, yeah. Mama Bia, I come. Bia now. Bia. Bia. Chidiogo. I'm gonna you are laughing. You want to fall and you are laughing, Abi. Bia. Hey mama. Hey mama. Hey mama. I Bia now. I come now. You are tired. Oh my God. I Bia now. Chama. Chama. Topic. You want to go for? Chidiogo. Hey guys. Okay, so how are you guys doing? I want to say something like Great Commenters Association of Nigeria. Great Commenters Association of Nigeria. Great, how na day? I watched If It Was a video and I just laughed. Like, how can you throw someone to the extent that you use makeup to throw someone? Like, you tell the person you don't put makeup or the kind of place you are living. I don't understand. It don't make sense. So it don't make sense at all. So you prefer it when someone is showing you fake life. Like, you need to see flashy things, and then when someone is trying to be real, you will not use it and shame the person. Like, that means one day now, person will wake up and not tell me, Mommy Zara, you don't used to wear makeup on your face. Like me that wake up in the me that wake up very early in the morning, and the first thing I will do is just carry my camera and say, good morning guys, it's a beautiful morning here in Asaba Delta State. So one day like this, person go use that one throw me too. It don't make sense. So it doesn't make sense. Maybe they mind the kind thing with the talk, because what you say to people matter, and it's not good to hurt people. Like, this life, we just need love. And the little life person is showing you on social media, you are using that one to throw the person. It don't make sense. Somebody like me now, so I film every day. So does it mean that every time I'm filming a video, I'll be wearing makeup on my face? Like, what time? That time I'm using to do that makeup. I know how many videos I will use it to, at least to gather. And also, somebody like me now, sometimes if I'm watching African Magic, I'll see someone sleeping with makeup. Like, you want to go to bed and you are wearing wig, and then you are sleeping with makeup. I'll just change the channel because it's not real. Maybe they try sometimes soon, because it's not when someone is showing you the real side of that person. Instead of you to encourage the person and appreciate the person, you are using it to shame the person. It don't make sense. And maybe they mind what we say to people, okay? Because not everybody get mind though. There are some you will tell, and then they will feel bad. And also, before you drop any comment or before you say anything to someone, always put yourself in that person's shoe first and tell yourself, if someone tell me this kind of thing, how do I feel? Because it's when you start, considering how, like when you start putting yourself in that person's shoe, then you mind what you say to people. It's not good. Maybe they try. And also, as I don't start finish now here life start to. Now here life start to, like, so people will tell you, like, for those people that are not Nigerians, they'll be like, so after service, what's next? My dear, after service, you go find work. After the service, you look for work. Some people are lucky. Some people are so lucky that when they serve, the place they serve, they'll be like, okay, we want to retain you. Please let me know in the comment section. The place you served, did they retain you? Did you continue to work with them? Because somebody like me now, the place I served, I will not even want them to retain me if they want to retain me. and again, they were not paying me. Some people, the place they were serving, they were paying them small money. At least at the end of the month, they will still pay them small money. But the place I was serving, they were not paying me shishi kobo. They were not paying me. Not just me, every other person that was serving them, they were not paying them. And I've asked, they say they don't pay. Maybe at the end they will pay. I don't know, but every month they're supposed to give us something, but they're not giving. So yeah, and again, Like I said, I don't even want me to retain me. Also, I have always said this several times that this my YouTube is the main thing that I have for now, okay? And I'm happy doing it, okay? And if by tomorrow I get to work in a big place, I'll be very glad and I'll be happy. But as it is now, let me just continue with this my YouTube until chikota my brain on. You understand? Until this my brain, it calm down small. Because for now, I'm not ready to go dey find work. I no even, in fact, which work I go see for Naija for now sef? Which work I dey find? Make I face my YouTube life make I face my YouTube for now. So thank you guys so much. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, please let us love one another. Even if you want to correct someone, do it with love. If you have a suggestion, you go to that person's inbox and you drop it to the person with love. Don't hate unnecessarily. Don't use the little things you are seeing on the screen to judge someone. It's no good. Anyway, I don't talk too much. I better we'll continue with this video, okay?
Okay guys, so this is my onubu soup looking yummy.
Leave the kitchen, leave the kitchen.
Hell.
Abi? Chidiogo. Diogo? Chidiogo have been eating swallow. She has eaten enough. I don't even think she's going to bring that akam over there. Chidiogo, come and take. You want fish? You want fish?
Hey.
Happy and non yataba.
Hey.
You remember? You're gonna get in. See my soup. This soup got Oxford University.
What's that? The last one.
Last soup. I beg a last one.
Last one.
Lagos. Oh dear, go Makaga Lagos.
Yeah.
Allow Uncle to drink his medicine.
Play.
Which is sick.
That? When I hear it, go. Go from it.
Chidiogo, do you know how much I bought that milk? Diogo.